Welcome to the Mind Detective, where we unravel the mysteries of human behavior and relationships. Today, we delve into the intriguing realm of masculine traits that drive women wild. Join us as we unlock the secrets behind 5 qualities that captivate the hearts of women everywhere. First on our list is leadership. There's something undeniably magnetic about a man who can take charge with confidence and charisma. Whether navigating through a crisis or orchestrating a group project, a leader who exudes decisiveness leaves a lasting impression. Women are drawn to the aura of strength and reliability that accompanies effective leadership. It's not just about issuing commands, it's about inspiring others to rally behind a common vision, fostering collaboration, and achieving shared goals. A man who can lead with integrity and empathy earns not only respect, but also admiration from those around him. Next up, resilience. In the face of adversity, a resilient man doesn't just endure, he thrives. Women are captivated by the inner strength and determination displayed by individuals who refuse to be defeated by life's trials. It's not merely about weathering storms, it's about emerging from them stronger and wiser. A resilient man embraces setbacks as opportunities for growth, turning obstacles into stepping stones toward personal development. His ability to maintain a positive attitude and bounce back from failures showcases a level of emotional maturity and self-awareness that many find irresistible. When faced with challenges, he doesn't crumble. He rises to the occasion, inspiring those around him with his unwavering resolve. Now, let's talk about chivalry. In a fast-paced world where acts of kindness often go unnoticed, a man who embodies the principles of chivalry stands out. From opening doors to offering a helping hand, these small gestures speak volumes about a man's character and values. Chivalry isn't just about following a code of conduct, it's about showing genuine care and consideration for others. A chivalrous man understands the importance of making those around him feel valued and respected. His thoughtfulness and attentiveness create a positive atmosphere that fosters deeper connections and meaningful relationships. In a society that values authenticity, chivalrous acts serve as tangible expressions of a man's sincerity and integrity. Respect forms the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. When a man respects a woman's thoughts, feelings, and boundaries, it cultivates a sense of trust and mutual understanding. Respect isn't just about words, it's about actively listening, valuing diverse perspectives, and treating others with kindness and empathy. A respectful man creates a safe space where open communication flourishes, allowing both partners to express themselves freely without fear of judgment. His willingness to acknowledge and honor the autonomy of others strengthens the bond between them, laying the groundwork for a harmonious and fulfilling relationship. Last, but certainly not least, a sense of humor. Laughter has the remarkable ability to bridge gaps and forge connections between people. A man with a good sense of humor not only lightens the mood, but also brings joy and warmth to any interaction. It's not just about telling jokes. It's about embracing life's absurdities with a playful spirit and finding humor in everyday situations. A witty remark or a clever quip not only showcases intelligence, but also demonstrates an ability to navigate social dynamics with ease. Shared laughter creates memorable experiences and strengthens the bond between individuals, paving the way for deeper connections and lasting relationships. And there you have it, the 5 masculine traits that women adore. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content exploring human behavior and relationships. Until next time, this is the Mind Detective signing off.